Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let's discuss the folder structure of a Cucumber BDD framework. Okay, so this is going to be a very important video. Please stay tuned. Okay. Uh, so what exactly the Cucumber BDD mean? Okay, it's BDD stands for Behavior Driven Development Framework. So that bridges the gap between the business and automation using Gherkin language. Okay, so it uses the plain English, nothing but a Gherkin syntax in given when then format. And Cucumber BDD helps in the collaboration between QA, development team, and business stakeholders. And Cucumber BDD helps in the framework, helps in clearly readable format and maintainable and easy to reuse for automation. Okay, and then Cucumber BDD is usually supports multiple programming languages. Either it can be a Java, Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and many other. Okay, and then there are some of the important Gherkin keywords like feature, scenario, given, when, then, and, or but. Okay, and there are many other things. So you should be aware of all these things. And then there are many benefits of using the Cucumber BDD framework, where the tests are easy to read for the non-technical stakeholders, and the step definitions are reusable. It gives a live documentation, and then it's easy to maintain. It supports the parallel execution, and it helps in the better collaboration and communication with everyone. Okay, and this is a sample BDD folder structure. Okay, where we'll have the SRC test Java. Under the SRC test Java, we'll have the many subfolders specific to the source code, test code, and runner files, and many other things, including the page object classes, step definition classes, utility classes, configuration files. Okay, and then under the SRC test resources folder, we'll have the feature files, configuration files, data files, driver related files, and then any report related files. Okay, so and then we'll have the target or build folder. Okay, so where it's usually maintained for building and generating a compiled output. And then we'll have the reports folder, where we can see all the generated test execution reports will be followed into the reports folder. And then we'll have the test output folder. Okay, so where we can see the testng or Cucumber execution output here. And then we'll have the logs folder for viewing the log files. And then we'll have the pom.xml file. Okay, so it's purely a Maven build management file, and or the Maven configuration file, which contains the dependencies. Okay, and the readme.md file. Okay, it contains the project information and the setup guide. Okay, so this is the framework project structure usually followed in almost all the companies. Okay, this is a sample feature file example, and this is a sample feature file feature file example for login with valid credentials. And this is a sample step definition file for the above feature file. You need to map the step definition with feature file. And then this is a sample hooks example. And okay, so technologies used commonly for Cucumber BDD is Cucumber tool or the library, and the Java as a programming language, testng as a unit testing framework or integration framework, usually integrated with Cucumber for parallel execution. And then Selenium WebDriver, and then Maven for build management, and then extent reports for reporting, log4j for logging, and Apache POI for Excel reading. And then the test data, either it can be in the JSON format or CSV format or in the Excel format. Okay, and these are the best practices that you need to keep in mind while working with Cucumber BDD framework. Okay, so guys, I have uploaded this material in the interview preparation kit, which helps you in quick revision before the interviews. Please do check out. Let me know if you have any queries or questions. The link is given in the description and also in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best for your upcoming interview.